Today we're making apple-infused vodka. Come on in, welcome to my home. This is a quick recipe, but it's going to take you a while. Does that make sense? I hope so. This is apple-infused vodka. This one is just about done. It has been going for a while. You're saying to yourself, well, how have I done this? Well, it's really simple. All the ingredients are listed down below, and it's really easy to make, and no, you don't need a big jar like this. This was the one I had at the moment. So how did I start? I started off with vodka and dehydrated apples. I have honestly found that is one of the big things about this and how this recipe works out so well. The dehydrated apples then make this so much easier to do than actually using regular apples or, fresh apples. The other thing is we're going to use these dehydrated apples. That's the really cool part about this. And that's another recipe which is coming up. So what I did is I put the dehydrated apples and the vodka together, put it into this jar, sealed it up, and then for a little over a month, I would come back every day and shake it. Alright, so I'll admit it wasn't every day. It was every time I would remember to shake it. Then, after a month, you get this beautiful look. So now what do we do? Simple. Strain it. Alright, so there we go. Like I said, we're going to use those apple pieces in another recipe. Don't want it to go to waste at all. But I'm going to go ahead and give this a taste. Those are good. Oh, that's really good. The one thing I can tell you about these apples is the apples that I used were a sweet apple. It was a sweet dried apple. You can use whatever apple you want, dried Granny Smiths. You can dry your own apples. Just go ahead and, use the dried apples. Like I said, this is what I found works the best for all of this, but it is so good and so easy to make. Just took a little over a month, and before you know it, you have this really, really cool apple tasting vodka. It is so nice. We're even going to use the vodka in another recipe. And you can use this like any recipe that calls for vanilla, especially an apple recipe that calls for vanilla. You can use this in place of vanilla. It works just as well. Sometimes better depending upon the recipe, or you can also add this to the vanilla. It is so cool and so wonderful. It works well in cocktails. This is really cool. Well, if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. So cool and so wonderful. I love making these recipes. I hope I get to see you next time. And don't forget to check out these videos that I picked out just for you.